What's up, YouTube? We're back at the Quasdorf Blacksmithing Museum in Dallas, Iowa, and today we're working on a door handle. Let's get started. This video was made in partnership with the Dallas Historical Society. Well, this is a pretty simple project, actually, for how nice I think it turns out, at least. Not too much material-wise. I have just a piece here of half-inch square stock, about 9 inches of it. I do have some 3/8 round stock. I haven't prepped that yet, but we're going to need 2 pieces that are like 3 to 4 inches long, depending on how far you want your handle to stick out of the door, from the door. And just 2 pieces of, this is inch by 1/8 square stock. I got them about 3 inches long, and then I also have the ends rounded off. So that'll be what we actually bolt to the door. So to start with, we're going to start with the actual handle portion. Then I'm going to try and diamond head out the tips, at least get them kind of flush, and then upset them just a tad, and give it a better look than just a plain square. I mean, here this side it's all wonky from the shear and whatnot. Just cleaning those up, and then we could go about laying out our where we're going to do our twist. So let's get started. Okay, so just got a little bit of the end heated up. Try and flatten it out a little bit, and then I'm just going to kind of pretty the end up a tad. Something kind of like that. I might have to clean up the edges just a little bit so we don't have any sharp ends, but yeah, that's one end done. We'll go through and heat up the other end and do that side. Alrighty. So I got a block of wood here. That way my bottom part that's already done doesn't get a little marred up again. So just kind of the same process. That one's not looking too bad. All right, well, we can go ahead and get our twists laid out and twist this up, and this piece will be just about done. So we're only going to have a 3-inch twist on this piece, and since that's pretty simple to lay out, since this is a 9-inch piece, we just need to go 3 inches from the end stock, and then 3 inches after that. So we're kind of taking cutting each piece into thirds. And then we'll just file these 2 marks here, that way we can see it after it gets out of the fire. Alrighty. Well, that's the handle already prepped. I got a little bit of a bow in it, but I'm going to leave that in because I'm going to end up curving this piece anyways, just a little bit. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do the brackets that will bolt this to the door. So I have our little pieces of rod. That'll be our little standoffs for the handle. And I'm just going to flatten out a small section. Just about like that. Doesn't really need to be more than an inch, 3/4 of an inch. There, and then I'll do the other piece, and then I'll take it over to the vise, and we'll 90 those off. Just about like that. Just something nice and flat for the handle to butt up against too. Alrighty, well, got the door mounts all done. So, and how we're going to lay this out is essentially, I'm just going to take these and just like that, kind of butt these up with where the beginning of the twist is. That gives you a nice space for, or a handhold. Also, you could forge weld these, but I'm still working out forge welding and whatnot, especially with a new electric blower. It's a little bit different than when you're cranking it by hand. So, I'm just gonna weld these up, and then we will bend this into shape to give it a little bit more curve. But yeah, then we'll be all done. Well, here she is all welded up. You could go with this and leave it as this, but I'm going to actually give it a little bit of a curve to it, and then I'm going to play around with it just a touch to, make sure everything's sitting flat. We got a little bit of a flatness issue here, and I think I need to twist the twist just a touch more, so... we're going to stick this back in the fire and try and get this thing all the way heated up to do all that. And, yeah, we'll be back when I get this hot. All right. That's looking pretty good there. This one's got, we'll have to fix that. This guy's just a little cockeyed, so we'll heat that up next. Alrighty, now that we got everything nice and straight, let's put a bend in the whole thing. So, we'll heat it, try and heat this whole thing up in the forge and get her bent. Something about like that. Alrighty, got her all done. And it's got a little bit of snow on it left. I went outside and put it in a snow bank to cool it off. But yeah, I'm liking this design. I haven't, to be honest with you, this is the first time me trying it. This is probably going to end up at my other blacksmith shop. That door doesn't have a handle for it, so this will be a good fit, I think. But yeah, looking really nice. So, yeah, hopefully you guys are liking the new blacksmithing shop videos. I'm hoping they continue for a good long while. Also, well, I'm actually a little behind on filming at the moment, and so. Oh, but we'll fill out this this winter, and we'll see what from there. Hopefully, we continue using this shop. But yeah. Oh, I guess you probably noticed I got some a new hat, a new apron. I actually got these from a subscriber. He's a Civil War reenactor, so he got me some a whole getup. So I can look period correct for like a Civil War reenactment, which is pretty cool. Also, who knows, maybe I'll find an event to do there. But we'll see on that right now. But yeah, I'd just like to thank him, and he was very generous. He did do some business together, so made a few things for him. But yeah, I suppose it's getting kind of late, and I'm ready to go home. So we will see you all next time.